today I'm doing another video. We're going to do more house destruction in the old data. We need this and this. But first, let's head over to one. Hacker. Oh no, I'm so scared. Hacker Junior. No, I was okay. Maybe let's just whoop. She does not care. Food. Imagine not knowing how to drive. Okay, she's going to get gas. Oh, she's leaving me. No. Alright, let's get my own car. Nope, copyright. We just need to find a house and then. Wee woo. No, that's proper. Agua. His door is again unlocked. 2 people. It's been a 3 video. Oh, I do not remember if this house has a save or not. Let's look around. He's a YouTuber. Yes. Let's go. We escaped. I know I said that next video would be Ice Cream Tycoon video, but hey, I like the Brookhaven video. Also, I just want to say, the amount of views you guys got on the I'm Back video, I'm so happy about that. I've never gotten that many views, ever. Oh, he has a card chip, wants to flex, alright. So he really wants to flex like that? Oh, wait a minute. No. 70. And let's change the color. Oh, I'm getting kidnapped. Get in my car. I'm going so fast. Oopsies. Alright, let's just keep going. My car was stuck. You can go. I don't know what to talk about, really. I know where I want to go. Let's get my way back to civilization first, and then I'll talk about it. live there. Civilization. No! Civilization is gone. Let's keep on going. Turn here. Alright, we got it. Okay. To the mall. And lock my car. Someone else is at the mall. Agua. You know what? I'm just gonna call him Water and him Pogo. Because I don't want to say a name. Hey, yo! No, that's crazy. Sub and go. Yes. No, bro. Just kidding. I don't need that. But let's talk about this. Yesterday I only talked about it a little bit. But I'm going to talk about this more. First of all, Empire. What is this, bro? I don't know. But 50% off. On furniture? On furniture level. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Go to the mall for $1 million. They'll never know. I'm not giving them $1 million, bro. Hey, yo! Follow my mouse. My mouse goes up. Go to the mall for $1 million. Dollar heart. Want $1 million. Go to the mall. They're gonna make this a big part of chat. Want $1 million? Go to the mall. It won't let me in. What are they yapping about? Can someone tell me what this means in the comments? If it means anything. But let's just. Oh, you can pick. No. Let's go find someone else's house, I guess. Alright, let's go do this. Let's go. Yay. Woohoo. I know what to. First of all, I want this. Stupid car. Now let's park. Oh, no. Perfect parking. literally taking up 2 parking spots. Who really cares? There is. Ah, yes, that was good. Alrighty there. Did Buddy Boy hit my car? Oh, okay, no, he's hitting cars on purpose. Whoa. Again, if there is an extreme amount of lag, I am sorry. Yes. Ritty. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, let's go. Uh-oh. Down we go. Dive. Go straight again. And we land our Ritzy Ritz helicopter here. Oh. Perfect place. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, good job. Oh, my mouse is not working. Give me a second. I can't end the video.